What of you to you? What's going on, guys? It's vocal coach and artist Tyshan Knight here, and I really quickly want to explain something to you guys that might not understand this yet, and it's about resonance, vowel placement, and how to sing in the right spots, right? So there are little pockets where resonance take place when you sing, all right? So if you're doing the vowel sound it resonates better, like almost going up like this. And E is gonna be around the mask area. Oh, that's when your palate kind of drops and kind of the sound should move like this. Oh, ooh. Now ooh's towards the back of your head. Ooh. And A is kind of open again. So why is this important? Because when you're doing riffs and runs, you need to know where to place your vowels. Or say, for instance, you're singing a certain word. I need. I already know that, okay, I'm going from I, kind of like semi-closed, to need, which is going to be more in the mask area. I need, semi-open, sorry, I need. And that's how you get that polished sound, because you're now resonating in the right spots, if that makes any sense. And if I said, I won't, now that's a different passage it's gonna take, right? I already moved the sound like this. I won't. Same notes, same riffs, but the feel is completely different compared to I need. I need, I feel like I'm going forward. I won't, I'm going backwards. So give this a try when you're doing your runs and riffs this week, and let me know in the comments if this helps you out. But this is one thing I've learned personally, and whenever I'm struggling with a certain riff or run, I'm trying to figure out what's the vowel sound and where's the placement before I even try to attempt this riff, right? And that's a tool that's helped me out many years, never failed, and it's something that you guys should take with you, all right? And again, if you need help with your vocal coaching, with your singing, maybe you have a performance coming up, maybe you're just trying to get better one-on-one for yourself and it's a personal goal, or maybe you're singing in a choir, you got an album, anything coming up, I want to be your coach that helps you out. So make sure you hit me up in the emails, check out my vocal packages. So if you're singing on the go and you just need a quick warm-up or a quick challenge, this is perfect for you. It's going to help develop your voice and help give you tools to sharpen your voice. So check out my vocal packages. You guys invest in yourself. I'm telling you, invest in yourself. You can't go wrong. It's worth it. It's worth it. These are skills that you're going to have for the rest of your life. All right. And until then, guys, keep on singing. Let's keep singing alive. Let's keep real singing alive. All right, guys. I love y'all. Peace.